Jasmine Mukbang and with my baby sister Ava. You never saw my baby sister Ava cooking, so that's really nice. We're gonna make a felt ornament kit. We're gonna make a Christmas tree. Let's open it. But somehow we need the glue. I don't know if we need the glue, so we're just gonna get this glue just in case. Wow, this is a big tree. It's really big. And these are all the items we need, and this is what it has to look like. Or you can make up your own. Let's first get these. These are long. Let's see, what is this one for? I guess this one is for like over here, maybe attached over here. Guess. Uh-oh. Now this says that we have to put this one here to see if it sticks. Okay, it sticks. That's good. I guess we need glue. The next part is this one.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You get to do the buttons.
Okay. You guys have to do together.
I am doing it together. I'm doing this part and baby's gonna do the buttons.
Okay, that's good.
That was at Christmas.
Yeah, that's Christmas
I
tree.
like to make it perfect.
Yeah, my baby little one is coughing.
A lot.
Yeah, see, I think I got.
Cool. Achoo! That's our first achoo.
Yeah, that's pretending, I guess. What do you want? Oh, you want this one? Yeah, take this.
Why does this not stick?
Give me that. Thank you, my love.
There, that sticks.
Oh.
This is my first time of doing that. And baby, it's your turn to put the buttons.
Wow, baby gonna put the buttons. Can you move a little bit front nearby her?
Okay. Oops. Sorry.
Put the glue and put the glue first and give it to her.
Okay, here. Whoops, here's more buttons.
Okay.
No, not like that, baby. You have to glue it. First, when I glue it and then you put it. First I go here. There, put it here. No, not like that, baby. It's like this. You first have to put it in the middle, like that. Okay? Your turn. There you go. Like. Oh, like 3 buttons. Not 2 buttons here. Now another button over here. Now 1 button over here.
There's 2 more left.
Now 1 more button here.
Can you give it front so see? Yes. Now last one left, I think. No? Is there any left button?
I guess we have a little bit more space. Oh no! They did it. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my goodness. Jasmine, you can get it too. See, that's the perks of having big sisters. He knows what to do.
Here.
And my little one is
Here. That.
so innocent.
There. Now our Christmas tree is finished. Now we can add the star. Now we have to glue this here and then never mind, I have to glue it here. And then
No. Good job.
and now, baby, would you like to do the honors? Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay.
Okay. You can give it to her. Oh, yeah.
Wait, not like that. Wait, I think we have to put more glue for this.
Wait, baby.
There, done.
Can you guys sew that?
Okay. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Mama! And Merry Christmas, Daddy! Merry Christmas! And Happy New Year! Today is snowing, and like in later we can make a snowman. Are you excited, guys? Can you hear me say yes? Okay. See you later. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell.
Yeah, okay.
Bye. Hi guys, this is Jasmine Mocha and with my little sister baby. And today we have snow from